Hi, welcome to this channel. My name's Oliver and today we're gonna have another great session on trading with binary options. I'm trading on Quartex. The link's gonna be in the description to this video, as well as a Telegram group where you can see all the necessary information about trading with binary options in general. So let's go and start with today's video. Today's video is gonna be what we're gonna do today is we're gonna start with $16. And we're gonna try and get as much as we can in today's session, as always, and we're gonna use different strategics and techniques. So bear with me and stick to the end so you can see how much just we can make with binary options, even if we're a beginner and just have basic knowledge of the technical analysis. So let's get started. Okay, so $16, and we're gonna have today's start with this. So I've started with a put option and just putting on some of the indicators like zigzag to help us go through today's session. Also have the stochastic oscillator, which is really helpful, to be honest. If you're familiar with it, that's great. If you're not, then obviously it's great if you go to the Telegram group. You can see all the explanations there. Here's our first profit. It's $30.56. So we're gonna go ahead and change the currency to a different one, because that's what I usually do. I change it to a different one, so then we can just play around with the different ones. So here I see that there is a clear indication for a put option. The price is going to go down, so let's wait. Use another profit. It's $56.70. So we're gonna go and place $57 now, and what we're gonna do is here. That's actually a good point here for a call option. See, this is going up. Okay. Well, let's wait a minute. Here's next profit, $107.73. We're gonna go with $107 for our next option, which is going to be, let's change this currency. That's looking good. We're gonna go probably with a put option here. Let's see some indications here for the price to drop. So let's go with the put option and wait a minute. Here is the profit, $202.23. So we're gonna go with 202 option next. Let's change the different currency here. Okay, and so that looks good. We're gonna go with a call option here. So the price is probably gonna go up with this resistance line. So let's go. Okay, here's another profit, $381.78. So we're gonna go with $383. We're gonna go for the next option. So as you can see, we started with $16 and we already have $383 of on the balance. So a lot of profit already, and it's only been like under 10 minutes. So that's a good result. Let's go for the next one, and here obviously I see a put option potential. So let's do that and wait for a minute. here is really great profit already, 733. So 23 723 is going to be our next option. So as you can see, guys, the potential here is that the growth is exponential. So if you start with something, I mean another option, by the way, but I'm just going to talk it through. If you make the if you see the growth, it goes from small to really huge in like, so while it's small quite a long time, it can take a while to get to, for example, something like 300, 800. After that, it just goes into thousands straight away. You'll see in a minute. If all good, you'll see that in a minute. And basically, all you need to know is the technical analysis, even basic technical analysis, some knowledge of patterns, just an eye for the pattern. You can see the here we have the profit, by the way, 1,367. That's a first awesome, like really big profits. It's going into 1,000 already. So the next option is going to be we're gonna put $300 here in case. I just want to try something out here. Maybe there is a situation I want to try if it works out. So that's what I was talking about, reading some patterns and so on. So maybe it could be a good session for you guys to see like how it works out if you do something like this. So I just had this intuition to make a put option here, because I think that the pattern will repeat here. Yeah, at least for now, like at least for this minute. So that's why I made this decision. And while it can be a good decision, it can also mean that you can lose the money. So instead of going all in this time, I just made this just to feel the waters, just to dip our toes, and so you'll see in a second what I mean. So see, I had a profit here, so that's pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna go with 1,000 now, and so yeah, so the next one is gonna be, but it's just worth doing these things and trying to water out, and if it works, you'll trust your intuition next time a bit more. Yeah, if not, you'll think, okay, why didn't it work? So it all makes sense, and everything's practice and experience. So let's go with the next one. Here, obviously, is going to be a put option here. I can already see that because it clearly is. So yeah, no doubt about that. So let's see. This is our next option. We're gonna make 2 call options because now the 2,000 permit us to do it. So after our huge profit here, we can make 2 options at a time, or in other words, it's going to be a $2,000 option, call option. So let's wait. Here is the profit, really big one. It's $4,324 on our balance already, and it's only been like 15 minutes maybe. So let's see. Now we have the opportunity to make quite a big one. Let's just try out another thing. I'm thinking here. Okay, so let's go with this 1,000 call option here, and just let's see if we can make 5,000, and we'll make a really big option there, and see how it can actually change the balance drastically. So let's wait. Oh, here it is. So now we have 5,000 that we can basically make a big option. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's see, guys. Let's see here, this currency here. Okay, let's do call options. 5,000 call option here. Let's wait a minute. Here is the profit. Here is the profit, guys. $9,784. That is the profit that we have already. So basically what we're gonna do now next is we're gonna make another big one. Just thinking. Okay. So if we make another huge one, should we make 9,000, guys? 9,000 option, 9,000 call option. This is, and this is gonna be awesome. If it works out, we're gonna make a lot of money here. So let's wait. Oh yes, guys. Oh, actually, we're only made profit on only a couple of them. Wow, that was really volatile. As you can see, this we're gonna make another one. I'm gonna make another one here. 1, 2, 3, 4,000, just to make up a bit for what we've done. But basically, obviously, it's a good thing that we had recuperated what we've put there. So some of the $1,000 just got back to us, but it was so volatile, we could have lost a lot. So yeah. Okay, let's wait for the result. Okay, so now we're talking. We have a nice profit here. So this thing, it was a good situation to learn from, because putting that 9,000 there for 1 minute maybe wasn't such a good thing. If we have put it for maybe for just, okay, this here, I'm gonna make a couple of these. I'm gonna make a couple of thousand option there. That would be a pretty good. I mean, it's already awesome, but there we are. Okay, 16,000, almost 17,000. So $16,944 of profit today, guys. We're gonna stop here. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Let us know in the commentary section and leave us a like. And I'll see you all next time. All the best. Goodbye.